respected dignitaries on the dais, and gentlemen and ladies. It's indeed a real pleasure to be here and to listen to what you all have to say. Unfortunately, owing to some meetings that we have scheduled, we won't be able to participate during the day's discussions. I am just about 12 days old in Nasik. I joined as CEO Zilla Parishad on 15th of February. And this gives me a good exposure of what's happening in the district and around. So I am CEO Zilla Parishad, which means we are responsible for rural development, and we are a hub of all rural development programs that are being implemented in the district. While the city boasts of a population of 2 million, the rural Nasik is about 6.8 million people. So we have a humongous task ahead of us. When we talk of smart cities, we also talk of smart villages. Because I believe that unless we have this rural-urban continuum, real development cannot take place. It's important to see why cities are so flooded with people. Why is it that people from the rural areas have to migrate and have to come in cities and unfortunately have to live in slums, in desperate conditions, in destitutions? And the real issue is poverty. The real issue is inequity. The real issue is underdevelopment. Or the real issue is skewed development. So I would encourage you, I would request you to reflect on the real issues and the real challenges that the world of today is facing. I am very happy when Collector Sir said that it's not just about infrastructure development. I would urge you to put people first. I would urge you to put people at the center of the development. And then view development under the lens of what it means for a poor person to live a happy life. As CEO Zilla Parishad, our endeavor would be to create better opportunities for the rural people so that they are not required to migrate. At least they are not required to migrate under distressed situations. We would definitely encourage opportunity migration. We would definitely encourage people to come to cities such that they get a much better standard of life. They get much better opportunities, but not because they have nothing else to do in the villages. And I think that needs a paradigm shift. We've been discussing about climate change, we have been discussing about climate resilience, but are we really serious about it is something that one needs to reflect on. Unless cities are climate resilient, unless our way of life is in tune with nature, more and more in tune with nature, these problems are not going to go. Do we really need the number of cars that are being manufactured and that run on the roads? Is something that we need to reflect on today. And unless and until we do these mid-course corrections, things are going to go from bad to worse. What we do in the cities clearly impact what happens in the villages. And I would also urge you to reflect on how to build good infrastructure and good living conditions in the villages such that we make cities smarter than what they are. I would finally welcome you all to have fruitful discussions, and we would really be very happy to go through the proceedings of the day and see to it that this conference ends on a meaningful note. Thank you so much.